Good afternoon, I am Sri Rahma Aprilita Bugiwati and my research team Mustakar Yusuf and Muhammad Ihsan Andi Dagong from Faculty of Animal Science, Hasanuddin University, Indonesia. We will present the result of our research on characteristic of Maricha goats' genetic uniqueness through mitochondrial DNA genome analysis with cytochrome B gene. Maricha goat is a type of Indonesian native goat which is only found in few regions in South Sulawesi, such as Maros and Jeneponto districts. Since 2014, Minister of Agriculture of Republik Indonesia has assigned Maricha goat as a native goat breed from South Sulawesi. Some advantages of Maricha goats include being able to survive on local quality feed and on local climatic pressures, and also have high resistances to local diseases and parasites. Those advantages of Maricha goats traits can be a unique gene sources for genetic quality improvement of goat in Indonesia. On the other hand, the blood purity and preservation of Maricha goat must be maintained. In long term, there is a big opportunity for Maricha goats to support diversity and food security in Indonesia. A serious threat to existence, purity of Maricha goat blood is a market demand that encourages the exploitation of livestock. The other factor is there are many uncontrolled crossbreeding between Maricha and Kacang goat occur due to lack of farmer knowledge about differences between those breeds. To maintain the purity and sustainability of Maricha goats as Indonesian native goat, we need some scientific information such as origin and gene flow, phenotypic and genotypic characteristics, and dynamic population of Maricha goat. So in this research, we focus to characterize goat diversity and to know the genetic relation between Maricha and Kacang goats using cytochrome B as a marker in molecular analysis of mitochondrial DNA genome. Data sampling and analysis of mitochondrial DNA genome were carried out from March to August 2019 at Maros and Jeneponto District, South Sulawesi Province, and at Laboratory of Animal Breeding and Genetic, Faculty of Animal Science, Hasanuddin University. Total number of goats used in this research were 116 heads. The research activities were blood sample sampling, DNA extraction, amplification of mitochondrial DNA sequencing, and phylogenetic analysis that were visible and representative of each goat breeds and sex. This is the distribution of sequence samples. 15 samples of sequencing results were taken for analysis of nucleotide composition, genetic distance, and genetic relationship using phylogenetic trees in MEGA version 6 program. Then we compare of these three parameters with various goat breeds data in GenBank. This is nucleotide composition analysis result. Nucleotide composition of thymine and guanine of Kacang goat, Maricha goat, and Capra hircus goat are similar. However, the similarity of cytosine and adenine found at Kacang goat and Capra hircus. Differences of cytosine and adenine between Kacang and Maricha goat were relatively small, about 0.1%. These results indicate that Kacang and Maricha goat, which is used in this research, had low genetic variation and indicate that both breeds have high similarity ancestor. Generally, there are nucleotide composition differences of adenine, cytosine, thymine, and guanine of Maricha goat compared with other goat breeds, except similarity of adenine of Maricha goat with Korean goat and Black Bengal goat. This indicates that there is a possibility of Maricha goat inherited the traits of its ancestor who had a lineage of Korean goat and Black Bengal goat. This is genetic distance analysis result. All samples of kacang and marica goats which is used in this research showed low genetic distance because the values were equal to 0. Same condition found with Korean goats and Capra aegagrus. Smaller diversity level in the cytochrome B gene portion indicate higher similarity level of the population. This is not in accordance with Indonesian Ministry of Agriculture decree that state marica goat is separate breed and have difference from kacang goat breed. These results indicate that there is a possibility of marica goat sample were not pure marica goat. This means that there is a possibility of mixing blood of kacang goat is high in blood of marica goat. However, this result showed that marica and kacang goat were in same cluster. This is phylogenetic tree analysis result. The phylogenetic trees result using cytochrome B gene form two clusters. This is the first cluster of goat grouping, consists of 15 samples that we collected from two different districts, Maros and Jeneponto districts, and it cannot be distinguished into different clusters. This condition showed that kacang and marica goat in same cluster have high genetic relationship. This is second cluster consists of two samples only from Jeneponto district. This condition is probably caused by kacang goat data came from close population. Another possibility is kacang goat blood in second cluster has blood from introduced goat breed. Based on this result, marica and kacang goat taken in Maros and Jeneponto district have low genetic variation, low genetic distance, and high genetic relationship. We conclude that marica goat used in this study were not pure of marica goat. We have to find pure and native marica goat and do breeding program for maintaining the pureness marica goat as one of Indonesian native breed beside kacang goat. Thank you for your attention.